This is BMW 750i 2009, and I want to show you how to remove the handle. It's a rear handle. Okay, so if you want to just remove this part and replace it, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is remove this right here. Okay, and then you will see like a bolt right there. There it is. Just unscrew until it actually stops. Okay, once you do that, now you can easily pull it out. Just pull it and then pull it this way, and you can pull it out completely and disconnect it. But what I want to do is I need to remove the whole thing so I can actually replace this cable right here, because I broke it. So to remove the rest, you need to remove this bolt right here, or screw. It's this long, it goes right here, okay, and right there, and another one right here. It's gonna be right there. If you look, it should be right there. This bolt right here. Okay. So I broke this one. As you can see, I tried to install it back, and I broke it because you had to like install it this way, but I tried to install it this way and I broke it. So now I want to replace it. Okay. Okay. Should be easy, hopefully. And as you saw, you have to actually turn it like this and pull it out. Okay, so like right here, you see it locks. Turn it, pull it out, turn it and lock it. You see. Okay, now let's install the other one. Turn it, and turn it, and lock it. That's it. Now I can install it back. I forgot to install it, and I had to take it apart again. It's kind of hard to put this back, so make sure this goes right there. Okay, like this. This will hold it, and once this is in place, try to install that. Okay, and you should be good. So you just put this plastic pin first, and then put the bolt in. Once you make this tight, then you can tie the other bolt